Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you get notified when my next easy way tutorial is out. Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to record user account control or UAC prompt window. So by default, UAC prompt window opens in new secured window, so your recording software is unable to record it. So it looks like this. As you see, it records black screen. So here's the way how you can fix it and record it. Go to your start, right click on it, select search, and here in search type local security policy. Left click on this local security policy. This window will open. Make sure that here on the left side security settings is selected and not any of these options here. So left click on security settings. Now here on the right side, double click on local policies. Now double click on security options. Now go all the way down to this user account control. Switch to the secure desktop when prompting for elevation. Double click and here select disabled. Now select apply and OK. Now we will check will my OBS record UAC window. As you see, UAC prompt window is now recorded. So that's it guys for this video. Give it a like if it helped you. And don't forget to subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss my next videos. See you all and goodbye.